Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about some of our favorite running shoes. This is the pick, you guys, for anyone that demands a running shoe that has a lot of cushion. So this is the New Balance 840 V4. You will find that this shoe has one of those cult-like followings. People that know about this shoe, that they get this shoe, they get it over and over and over again for years and years and years. That's because this shoe is crazy comfortable and it's great for protecting your feet. This is going to be the shoe choice for anyone that has plantar fasciitis, if you have weak arches, if you just, have some feet issues, maybe you're a little bit heavier, whatever it might be, if you need that support and that cushion in your feet, this is the shoe for you. This is gonna make running so accessible for people that, maybe pounding your feet against concrete is just like, that sounds horrible. This is going to make it totally bearable. And, just no matter what you're doing, even if you're wearing this, as a nurse, or you're wearing this, just for walking in your neighborhood or running errands, going to the grocery store, whatever it might be, this is just amazing for people with foot pain, or just amazing for someone that likes to be comfortable. These are a great shoe. They hold up over time. New Balance is amazing. They are one of those shoes that you can buy and it's gonna last you for years and years. You know that they just hold up. You can trust them. They are comfortable. And again, you guys, there are so many people that order this shoe in particular time after time after time again because they find that that is the best for the health of their feet. So you guys, keep your feet healthy, give them that little extra cushion and padding. This is going to be great for people that have weak arches. The toe box is going to be just a little bit bigger. Your heel is going to be a little on the narrow side. So if this sounds like something that's gonna fit your feet, go ahead and put that in your cart. You're gonna be really glad that you did. Your feet are gonna be really glad that you did.